Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today reiterated that the government will take the people on board while moving ahead on the issue of introducing railways. It may be mentioned that two proposed lines to Tilia Bernihat and Bernihat Shillong are pending since several years due to the opposition from the NGOs. The Chief Minister said that it is important to have railways and at the same time it is important to have measures to protect the people of the state. He said that the government has already passed a resolution in the House to urge the centre to implement ILP in the state.
I have approached the Honourable Minister for Railways, Government of India, and urged that these are matters where we need to consult and take our stakeholders into confidence, and hence we require time to discuss matters with them. And only once we are able to resolve and come to some kind of understanding would we want to go ahead with things. I've mentioned before that we have discussed whether we can start with goods train, because goods train is something that will help the state's economy and the farmers and everybody, and that could be one way to start.
TMC